Welcome back, everyone. Let's jump right into today's explainer, because we're taking a deep dive into something that has honestly frustrated almost all of us at some point. We're talking about rescuing a seemingly ruined Apple device from the dreaded, impenetrable lock screen. We're looking at a process that takes an absolute brick of a phone and transforms it back into a fully functioning piece of tech. So if you've ever felt that sheer cold panic of being permanently locked out of your own hardware, well, this explainer is going to be incredibly empowering for you.
Picture this scenario for a second. You've been scouring the web for weeks, right? Hunting for the absolute perfect used iPhone. You finally find it, you buy it, and you are literally over the moon when that package arrives. But then reality hits. You turn it on, and your brand new secondhand phone has an iCloud activation lock slapped right across the screen. It's completely useless. Or, hey, consider another super common situation. You want to pass an old iPad down to your kids. It's been sitting in a drawer for so long that you just completely forgot the passcode. You are entirely locked out of your own property. So what's the game plan? Most people assume their only option is to hand the device over to some random, maybe slightly sketchy repair shop on the high street and just kind of hope for the best. But here is the massive takeaway from our source material today. You do not have to do that. What if you could execute this ultimate tech rescue entirely on your own? You can take complete control of the whole process start to finish right from your living room couch. No handing over your personal data, no crazy repair fees, just you and a reliable software solution.
Let's introduce the tool that makes this possible. Dr. Phone. Meet Dr. Phone by Wondershare. You can basically think of this application as your personal tech rescue sword. It doesn't just bypass a lock screen. It actually removes existing 4- and 6-digit passcodes entirely. And beyond that, it can wipe out the existing Apple ID. That gives you full access to the device so you can link it to a brand new iCloud account. By the time you're done, you end up with a phone or tablet that is completely flattened, wiped totally clean, and ready to be set up as if you just pulled it out of a brand new box.
Let's tackle Hurdle 1, erasing the passcode.
What's actually wild here is just how straightforward the physical steps are. Once you install the app and create an account, you plug your locked iPhone into your Mac and open the Screen Unlock tool, specifically the iOS tab. Our source walks us through this using an older iPhone 7, and the software literally guides you step by step. You power down the phone, hold the volume down button and the power switch together, and connect it to your computer. That's it. Then the app just kind of takes the wheel. Over the next 3 or 4 minutes, Dr. Phone automatically downloads and verifies the exact updates needed for your specific device. Now this brings us to a moment of high tension and a seriously crucial warning. The app is going to warn you that you're about to erase all content. It asks you to copy a suggested password and hit unlock. From here, you have to wait for about 10 minutes. And guys, during this 10-minute window, you absolutely, unequivocally must not disconnect the phone, and you can't try to use it either. If you interrupt this delicate wipe process, you run the very real risk of permanently bricking the device. So patience is your best friend here. Just go grab a coffee and let the software do the heavy lifting.
But once that agonizing 10-minute wait is finally over, the relief is totally palpable. As our source points out, it's honestly like magic. There was no fuss at all. You leave the phone connected, let the final background updates run, and the phone powers back on, cycling right into the normal setup screens. However, depending on the device's history, you might hit the final boss battle, the iPhone lock-to-owner screen, which means it's still tied to someone's iCloud. But hey, don't worry, we've got a tool for that too.
Moving right along to Hurdle 2, bypassing that activation lock.
Back in the Dr. Phone app, you're going to switch over to the iCloud activation lock tool. Incredibly, the source actually notes this supports what it claims is up to iOS 26 and iPhone 17 too. Clearly looking a bit far into the future there, but it definitely highlights robust support for modern software. The app displays your phone's info, and you just click Unlock and Agree. Then comes the precision timing part. The app gives you a super helpful on-screen countdown. You hold the volume down and power switch for exactly 5 seconds. Then, you release the power button, but keep holding that volume button for roughly 10 more seconds. At this point, your Mac's Finder will prompt you, and you just click Full Restore.
Okay, I have to emphasize this again, just like our source does. Do not disconnect your iPhone at all during this phase. While the software checks the jailbreak status and runs these complex bypass protocols, unplugging it could be disastrous. Just let the full restore complete, and once it does, your device is totally flattened, the iCloud lock is bypassed, and it is 100% yours to set up.
Let's look at compatibility and extra features. So, breaking down the direct removal compatibility, if you're on a Mac, Dr. Phone supports direct removal for devices running iOS 12 all the way up to 16.7. If you're a Windows user, it supports iOS 12 to 15.7 for that hardwired removal process we just talked about. It's incredibly accessible no matter what kind of computer you happen to have set up at home.
But wait, what if you have a newer device? If you're trying to rescue a recent flagship, say anything from the iPhone XR up to the latest 17 Pro Max, or iPads made between 2019 and 2025, the direct removal method via cable isn't the route you're going to take. Instead, Dr. Phone uses an online MEID service for these newer, highly secure models. The software is smart enough to automatically route you to the correct solution based on whatever hardware you plug in.
And honestly, this shows the tool is definitely not a one-trick pony. Beyond just bypassing locks, Dr. Phone is a massive utility suite. Our source highlights that it can handle deep data recovery, complete system repairs, and even seamless device transfers. And it doesn't just work on iPhones and Macs, it fully supports Android devices and Windows PCs too. Wondershare has a variety of price plans covering everyone from an individual trying to save one single phone, all the way up to an IT business team managing a whole fleet.
Finally, let's talk about the aftermath, specifically sustainability. This quote from the source really hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? When we forget a passcode or hit a lock screen, our first instinct is usually just to toss the device in a drawer and go buy a new one. But by using tools to bypass these software roadblocks, we are actively fighting e-waste. Perfectly good hardware that's just trapped behind a software wall can actually be given a completely fresh second life. It's an environmentally sound practice that keeps heavy metals and batteries out of our landfills. So I want to leave you with this final thought. Go take a look around your house today. How many forgotten locked phones or old iPads are gathering dust in your drawers right now simply because you lost a password a few years ago? You now know that you have the power to execute a living room tech rescue. Bypass those locks and bring that hardware back to life. It's efficient, it's green, and it puts the control right back in your hands. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer today. Keep learning, keep fixing, and I'll catch you next time.